Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super handy tutorial, how to change language in PowerPoint for 2025. Whether you're creating presentations for global teams or just need to switch languages for accuracy, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have Microsoft PowerPoint open on your computer. I'm using the 2025 version, but the steps are pretty similar in recent editions. Start by clicking on the File tab in the top left corner of the screen. This takes you to the Backstage view, where all the behind-the-scenes settings are. Next, scroll down on the left sidebar and click on Options at the bottom. This opens the PowerPoint Options dialog box, which is like the control center for customizing your app. Now, in the Options window, look for and click on Language in the left pane. You'll see options for Office Display Language, Help Language, and more importantly, the authoring languages. Under the Office Authoring Languages and Proofing section, you'll find a list of installed languages. If the language you need isn't there, click Add a Language and select it from the drop-down menu. Once you've added or selected your desired language, you can click Set as Default to make it the primary one for future documents. Don't forget to hit OK to save your changes and close the dialog box. Head back to your presentation, and you should see the language updated. Things like spell check and editing tools will now reflect your new selection. Keep in mind, this change might not affect existing text immediately, so you may need to recheck your slides. And there you have it. Changing the language in PowerPoint is straightforward and can make your work so much more efficient. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.